My name's Jack Milne with Tri-County Inspection Company and the House Whisperer Show. I got an email the other day at hello@tricountyyinspectors.com and say, Jack, what's the difference when you perform an inspection on a residential property versus a commercial property? And I'm going to take full advantage of that question today. When you're buying a residence, it's strictly emotional. You're going to buy this home, you're going to raise your family, you're going to watch your children grow literally in front of you. You're looking at school districts, you're looking at convenience items, supermarkets, shopping centers, etc. Where with a commercial building, there's no emotion. It's a black and white purchase. Will this building work for my business? How many years do I anticipate in this structure? What do I have to change in order to make it work for me? So when I do my residential properties, I take literally my client with me. I'm Velcro to my client because I want them to understand exactly how this building works. With a commercial building, generally it's more of I'll call it a hands-off policy where the investor's busy, we do a meet and greet, I recontact my client maybe with a half hour left so he can or she can come back to the building so that we can go over the highlights. The other day I did a building where it was leaking profusely, and the realtor basically said, well, I think he's buying this building as is. However, with a commercial building, the roof is the building, and it's such an expensive proposition to take something off and redo it that, again, it's an investment. But the way the structure worked, it was going to work for his business. So the bottom line is, with any type of inspection, be it residential or commercial, first off, have it inspected. It's a crazy market right now where people are tending to waive their inspections, but I'm doing much more commercial work right now than residential. But that's the flexibility that Tri-County offers. We can do the historical properties, we can do the residential properties, we can do new construction, we can do industrial, we can do commercial, we do shopping centers. So bottom line is, attend the inspection, learn as much as you can so you can make a rational decision as to if you should move forward or if you step back. Can you afford the changes that will need to be made in order for this building to work for you? So if you like the content, hit the subscribe button. If you want any questions asked, please email me at hello@tricountyyinspectors.com, and I'll see you next time.